It is the 19th of July 2026 and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about the arrest of the Tate brothers. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, Chelsea ficha a Morgan Rogers por 117 millones de libras. Chelsea signs Morgan Rogers for £117 million. Ingenieros del MIT crean un robot pequeño que vuela y nada. MIT engineers create a small robot that flies and swims. El jefe de la Fed de Chicago visita a Snap-on en Estados Unidos. The head of the Chicago Fed visits Snap-on in the United States. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Detienen means they arrest or they detain. En is in. Miami. In Miami. A los hermanos means the brothers. Andrew y Tristan Tate are the names. So the headline says Andrew and Tristan Tate are arrested in Miami. One useful pattern here is before people after the verb, as in detienen a los hermanos. In Spanish, that personal often appears when the action happens to specific people. Andrew Tate y Tristan Tate están en Miami. Andrew Tate and Tristan Tate are in Miami. Están comes from estar. The verb Spanish often uses for where people are. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Los agentes arrestan a los dos hermanos allí el sábado. The officers arrest the two brothers there on Saturday. Hermanos means brothers, a useful family word in today's story. More examples in the lesson sheet. Reino Unido pide su extradición ese día. Britain asks for their extradition that day. Ese día is a handy time connector. It ties this action to the same day in the story. Los dos hermanos viven en Rumanía ahora. The two brothers live in Romania now. Viven is the everyday way to say they live somewhere. In more formal news, you may also see residen. La próxima semana van a una corte federal en Miami. Next week they go to a federal court in Miami. Today's word is corte. Say it with me. Corte. Listen for the quick Spanish R sound. Now for the pattern of the day. Estar. To be. Yo estoy. Tú estás. Él está. Nosotros estamos. Vosotros estáis. Ellos están. The line uses the ellos form. Están. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. Detienen en Miami a los hermanos Andrew y Tristan Tate. Before you go, one question from today's story. Where are Andrew and Tristan Tate? Is it A en Miami, en Rumanía, or C en Reino Unido? The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.